Hello everyone. If you have a kid that sometimes shares your device with you, you will likely use some of the iPhone's security features to restrict access to your personal data and limit the visit to some websites. One of such options is using a child's account on the device. Unfortunately, you may later discover that the iPhone sign-out is not available due to restrictions. Why is sign-out not available due to restrictions? In most situations, this is because you have enabled the screen time that restricts the use of the device and cause you cannot sign out of Apple ID. And you might have locked this particular feature with a screen time password. Once you have done all these things, the sign out not available due to restrictions notification on your device. Of course, there is no straightforward way to get rid of it. When this happens, you may notice any of the following: a continuous loop of sign out, grayed out sign out option, verification error. Method 1. Turn off screen time on your iPhone or iPad. Open Settings. Then, click Screen Time. And scroll down to find Turn off Screen Time. You will be prompted to input your screen time passcode. Enter it and the problem will disappear immediately. Method 2. Power off your iPhone. Method 3. Update the software. Do you still have issues with sign out is not available due to restrictions on iPhone? Then, you should consider updating the software of your device.